Hi students, in previous class you have studied about meaning and format of receipt and payment account. Now you are going to study about problems related to receipt and payment account. Here is a question related to receipt and payment account. In this question they have asked to prepare receipt and payment account of Golden Cricket Club for the year ended on March 31st, 2007. While preparing receipt and payment account, first you have to write title, that is receipt and payment account for the year ending March 31st, 2007. Then debit side, that is left hand side receipts, and credit side, that is right hand side payments. While entering the items in the receipt side, you have to remember that you have to record first opening balance of cash or bank if any, then receipts through cash or bank, that may be of capital receipt or revenue receipt. It may be of current year or previous year or future year. While entering the items in the payment side, you have to remember that you have to record first overdraft if any, then payments made through cash or bank, that may be of capital expenditure or revenue expenditure. Now refer the question. In this question, they have given opening balance, that is cash in hand as on April 1st, 2006, 20,000. Cash at bank as on April 1st, 2006, 35,000. This is the opening balance of cash in hand and opening balance of cash at bank. As I told you, where you have to record? First you have to record receipt side of the receipt and payment account, that is debit side of the receipt and payment account. Always opening balance of cash in hand or cash at bank, you have to record debit side of the receipt side or debit side of the receipt and payment account. Then next item given in the question is subscription. Here they have given different year subscription, that is of previous year. Here current year is 2006 to 7, that is 2,25,000. Next year 2007 to 8. Total subscription received is 2,65,000. Subscription received is income to the organization. Therefore, where you have to record? Receipt side. It is income means business is, organization is receiving. Therefore, you have to record receipt side of the receipt and payment account. Next item given in the question is donation for building. Donation for building is also an income to the organization. Therefore, that is 60,000. Therefore, where you have to record? Receipt side of the receipt and payment account. Next item given in the question is entrance fees, life membership fees, that is also an income. Therefore, where you have to record? Receipt side of the receipt and payment account. Next item in the question is printing and stationery. It is an expenditure, that means organization has to pay the amount on that expenditure, that is on printing and stationery. Therefore, where you have to record? Payment side of the receipt and payment account. Next item given in the question is lighting, rates and taxes, telephone charges, postage and courier, wages and salaries, insurance premium. All these are expenditure. Expenditure means organization has to pay the amount. Where you have to record? Credit side, that is payment side of the receipt and payment account. Next item given in the question is interest on government securities. Interest on government securities is an income to the organization. Therefore, where you have to record? Receipt side of the receipt and payment account. Next item given in the question is locker rent. Locker rent, it is an income to the organization. Therefore, where you have to record income side, that is receipt side of the receipt and payment account. Next item given in the question is purchase of government securities. Purchase means business has to, organization has to pay the amount, that means expenditure. Therefore, expenditure on purchase of government securities, where you have to record credit side, that is payment side of the receipt and payment account. Next, last they have given cash in hand as on March 31st 2007, that is amount to 23,400. Next, cash at bank as on March 31st 2007, that is of 70,000. Here in this problem they have given closing cash in hand and closing cash at bank. Therefore, always you have to record closing balances, which side? Credit side of the receipt and payment account. Credit side means payment side. Sometime they may not give closing balance of cash or bank. Then you have to find missing figure by calculating the balancing figure. Next problem. Second problem. From the following particulars relating to Silver Point, prepare a receipt and payment account for the year ending March 31st 2015. Here in this problem they have asked to prepare receipt and payment account for the year ending March 31st 2015. Therefore, first what you have to write? Title. In the title what you have to write? In the books of Silver Point, receipt and payment account for the year ending March 31st 2015. Then in the question they have given opening balance of cash and opening balance of bank. As I told you, where you have to record opening balance, receipt side of the receipt and payment account. Next, here in the question they have given subscription collected of different years. Subscription, that is an income. Then next item given in the question is sale of refreshments, entrance fees received. All these are income. Where you have to record all the incomes means, that is receipt to the organization. You have to record receipt side, that is debit side of the receipt and payment account. Next item given in the question is sale of old sports materials. Sale of old sports materials is an income to the organization. Next item is donation received for pavilion. It is also an income to the organization. Therefore, where you have to record receipt side of the receipt, debit side or receipt side of the receipt and payment account. Next item given in the question is rent paid. How much? 3,000. Next, sports material purchase. Rent paid expenditure, sports materials purchases, it is also an expenditure. Purchase of refreshments, it is also an expenditure. Expenses for maintenance of tennis court, it is also an expenditure. Salary paid, it is also an expenditure. Tournament expenses, it is also an expenditure. Furniture purchased, it is also an expenditure. Office expenses, it is also an expenditure of the organization. That means organization has to pay amount on all these expenditure. Therefore, where you have to record all these expenses, payment side of the receipt and payment account, that is credit side or payment side of the receipt and payment account. Next, last item given in the question is closing cash in hand of 400 rupees. Where you have to record payment side of the or credit side of the receipt and payment account. Here they have not given closing balance of bank. Therefore, you have to calculate the total of both sides. Then you have to find which side is more. Then from that balance you have to deduct the opposite side items. Here in this problem, debit side, that is receipt side, more. From that, here 25,000 total. From this 25,000 you have to debit or you have to deduct the all the items which is given in the credit side. That item, after deducting that item, you will get missing figure or balancing figure. That is a closing balance of bank, that is of 6600. If you record that value, then only will get same total both side, that is debit side as well as credit side. Thank you.